Today, I'm going to show you how to get a moody look with color balance in Pixlr, and the best part is that it only takes a few simple adjustments to completely change the feel of your image. If you want your photos to look more cinematic, more dramatic, and more professional, this is one of the easiest color grading tricks you can learn inside Pixlr. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to show you the exact slider values you can use as a starting point for this look. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Pixlr editing tips and quick photo editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr E and upload the image you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, go up to the top menu bar and click Adjustments. From there, select Color Balance. This is the tool that lets you shift the tones in different parts of your image, and that is exactly what creates the moody effect. Now, we're going to start with the shadows. In the tone selection drop-down, choose shadows. Shadows are where you build that cold, deep, cinematic atmosphere, so this step is really important. Drag the blue slider to the right to around plus 15. This adds a cooler tone to the darkest parts of the image. Then drag the cyan slider to the left to around minus 10. That helps inject even more coolness and depth into the shadows, making the image feel darker and more dramatic. Once the shadows are set, move on to the midtones. Switch the tone selection drop-down from shadows to midtones. Midtones affect a lot of the general color in your image, so this is where you can keep the look balanced and cinematic without making it feel too heavy. Drag the green slider slightly to the left around minus 5, which pushes it toward magenta. Then drag the blue slider slightly to the right around plus 5. This helps mute the overall environment and keeps the image looking desaturated, stylish, and moody instead of overly colorful. Next, it's time to warm up the highlights. Change the tone selection drop down to highlights. This is where you create a nice contrast against all those cold shadows you just built. Drag the red slider to the right to around plus 8, and then drag the yellow slider to the left to around minus 8. This gives the brighter areas of your image a soft, pale glow that feels subtle but powerful. The contrast between the warm highlights and the cold shadows is what really makes this style stand out. Before you apply the effect, make sure you check Preserve Luminosity. This is very important because it helps keep your brightness values intact while you change the color tones. Without it, your image can end up looking too dark or too flat. Once that option is enabled, click Apply to lock in the look. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've used that color balance in Pixlr to create a moody, cinematic edit with cold shadows, muted midtones, and warm highlights. This is a great technique for portraits, landscape shots, and any image where you want a more dramatic aesthetic. You can also tweak the slider values a little bit depending on your own photo, because different images may need slightly different settings. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.